Alright, I don't have a whole bunch to share, but the mini brain board main board from OpenInverter, all the way from Germany, just arrived. This is the project by it's Johannes Hubner. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And this will actually replace this whole logic board here. This is going to be mounted on a custom PCB that I'm going to have to make that will give me the correct pinouts for all the inputs and outputs. And it will be all controlled by this little module here. The inverter, or the power stage of the inverter, is mostly cleaned up. I've got to polish this up and reassemble the whole thing, and I've still got to clean the bus bars. So these are the bus bars that have been disconnected here from each of the three phases, and each one has a current sense module on it. This is a very custom component, but they're not actually that complex. So I decided that I'm going to replace each of those, one on each phase, with these little current sense modules that can actually be bolted up in line with just on each one of these bus bars here. And these will sense up to 500 amp continuous current, and I can just put the output on here back to where these would, on the new board, where those would plug in there. So that'll give me current sense on all three of the phases, and make sure I don't break anything and the things work as intended. So just a quick little update on that. I'm really excited to start working on this. But first, I'm actually working on mocking up CAD drawings of where everything's going to go in the back. So I'll be uploading another short video about my process of doing the 3D scans to get a reference for for putting things in the computer and where things go in the CAD drawings. So that'll be something else that I've been asked about a couple of times on the forums, and I'll upload that here maybe today, maybe in the next couple of days. But cool, I finally got this, and now comes the hard part, figuring out how everything goes together.